Hello and welcome to another Cube breakdown. Today we're looking at a lo-fi track that I did in the real-time composing episode the other week, and this is the finished version we ended up with. Don't forget, like and subscribe, always appreciated. Let's have a listen to the track and then I'll go through it. Okay, let's go through the different tracks we've got here. This is a slightly different approach because what I've done is used the session keyboard player, drummer and bass player. Now to do this you need to make sure you have put your chords in. So you can see I've got them programmed in there. We've got a little bit of a gap there where we've got an edit point all the way to the end ending on an A minor. But you've got to do that, otherwise these tracks are not going to follow. So because it's a lo-fi track, luckily there is a lo-fi option which first drew me to actually using these. Now what you will notice is as it goes along I have changed the complexity and the intensity of these. So it starts off very plain, uncomplex, unintense, and then later on a bit more complexity, and the final section a bit more intense and complex. And I noticed you can just pop a section on the very end with nothing just to get a finishing note. Okay, so that was a session keyboard player. Then we've got the session drummer, again a lo-fi beat, and you can see we've got complexity and intensity changing as that has gone through. There's a short section I popped in there as a fill, so don't forget that is an option. And what I've done for the bass, you can see a little bit of intensity building up complexity for that second section, and again you can just do a single section on the end, but so that sounds really nice. All those together, the session players, coming together really nicely. Okay, so what else did I add? Well, Contemporary Drama Toolkit gave some guitar sounds like this. Just picking out a melody, and that just repeats over. And then we've got Albion Neo strings that come in and they're playing against those guitars. Now we get onto some of the sound effects. So for the lo-fi vibe, I just grab that static sound. And I also found these nice little effects. So the first time through, I think I used all three. And later on, you can see I'll split it up so that we have different effects, and then finally using them all again. We've got cymbals from Damage. She's got that sort of reverse effect. And the only thing I've put on the stereo out, as you know, I like to make sure it fades to nothing at the end. And that's all there was to putting this lo-fi track together. I hope you found that useful. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. I'll play it again as an outro because you'll probably hear even more of the little parts that fit together now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.